Hey everyone, today I'm gonna showcase how you can integrate Voiceflow chatbot directly into your site. I'll be using Shopify as my example. I'll be embedding it directly into a product page. I'm gonna explain a few reasons why it can be more beneficial than just using a regular chatbot at the bottom of the screen. And yeah, enough of me hands-on talking, and let's jump right into an actual example. So as you can see, I have my Shopify open. Let's click on one of the products. These are snowboards, as you can see, and they have quite a bit of descriptions, product specifications, features, and etc. And at the bottom of the page, we have snowboard consultant. And instead of having to read all this information, me, who's lazy, I just want to get answers to my questions. So, what is the size of a snowboard? It doesn't matter the mistakes. Yeah, it tells me the size, as you can see, 155, exactly the use case. So this is very good because the client doesn't need to read the descriptions. It can directly ask the AI and the AI will answer. So for example, another great feature of why it's beneficial to having such an AI inside the product page is if the product is very complex and it needs to fit the client exact case. So if I am a beginner, I need to know if this is a beginner friendly snowboard. So let's ask, is it beginner friendly snowboard? And yeah, AI says no, not really. It's super responsive, which makes it better suited for advanced riders and blah blah blah. Customer doesn't need to email or write to the customer support. It can directly chat with AI, with a consultant, and have the answers immediately. I think if you have a complex product page, if you need a more custom solution, integrating a chatbot directly into your website can be a really great fit. I'll show you how you can do exactly this using Voiceflow, and I'm gonna walk you through it, the build, and how to integrate it into Shopify. All right, I'm inside the Voiceflow. Let's go inside our workflow. And as you can see, it's very simple to get started with. And first of all, we need to capture the URL of a product page that we're in so that the AI would know immediately what kind of product we need to talk about. So first, we have a JavaScript step that checks if last event is present, and if it is, it takes the payload of product URL, uses regex to match the part of URL that we need, and simply store it in a product URL. So to capture the URL, I'll show you later on how we can do it, but let's go on right now. And then we use API of Voiceflow to simply filter the chunks that has that exact URL inside our knowledge base. So to maybe make this more sense, I'm gonna show you inside the Postman how it looks. So I have the same exact body, and as you can see, I have a filter that the product URL that equals to this exact snowboard. So if I send it, as you can see, I have one chunk that contains the contents of the snowboard, all the descriptions, names, prices, and we have the metadata that we used the filtering on that is equal to the URL. And that's kind of it. Then I have AI to just greet the user and prompt user to ask questions. Then I capture the replies and send the replies with that chunk information to the AI. Let's go on. I'm gonna show you how you can do and integrate this kind of embedded Voiceflow chatbot inside the Shopify and just in general any website. All right, I'm inside the Shopify. Let's edit the code to be able to integrate our chatbot. So the chatbot is only in the product page. So if you go and type product, there's gonna be main product liquid, and let me find the chatbot. Yeah, so as you can see, this is the code. So it's as you can see, it's also quite simple. All we need to do to change from this, if you go, this default template, we need to add render with mode embedded, and we need to target the specific div where we embed the chatbot. So as you can see, this whole script, it's inside a div with ID product chatbot embed. And as you can see, it targets that exact ID. So that's kind of it. Then to capture the URL, this, we use this kind of part. So as you can see, launch event type with payload product URL, and it's the same as inside here. We check the last event, and we check if last event has payload product URL. So yeah, so if you do this, you can paste it actually in any website. You'll be able to render this kind of chatbot on your website page. So I also will share this code in video description, and you'll be able to use, the AI consultant, the snowboard consultant, if in my case, and ask questions about the product. This is different snowboards, as you can see. Yeah. So yeah, quite simple. I mean, if you have any questions, you can ask them below. And one more thing, I mean, this is a great solution for businesses, right? What is also a great solution for businesses, especially if you're running an AI agency, it's actually NordPass. I mean, if you're running an AI agency, you'll be managing API keys, passwords, you'll be sharing passwords with your teammates, clients will be asking it, what kind of data protection solutions do you have? You will be able to say with confidence that we are using NordPass. We are a safe AI agency. So yeah, give it a go. Thanks NordPass for sponsoring this video. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave them below, and happy building. See you guys maybe after 5 months. Who knows? Bye bye.